Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript, generate random fractions with JavaScript. Random numbers are useful for creating random behavior. JavaScript has math.random function that generates random decimal number between 0 inclusive and not quite up to 1, that is exclusive, means it can be 0 but it won't be 1. Thus, math.random can return a 0 but never quite return a 1. Note that, like storing values with equal operator, all functions call will be resolved before the return executes. So we can return the value of the math.random function. Let's see the task for this challenge. Change random fraction to return a random number instead of returning 0. So in this case, we will just remove it and we will pass it math.random function. Run the test and it's successful. Download my solution and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.